Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group table and shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Table tool. Then draw a table. Now you can see here two column and some rows table. You can increase the column or increase the rows. Select this arrow option and write your column number. Now I write just 6, then press enter. Then again go back this tool section and select the shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. Now I am select the ellipse tool, then draw a ellipse, press shift on our keyboard. Then again go back this option and choose the move tool. You can change the shape color. Select this fill option and change the color. Now we can see we insert two objects. Now we want to group this table and shape. Firstly select the shape, then press shift on our keyboard and select this table. Now we can see we select multiple object, then click right button on our mouse and select the group option. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl G on our keyboard. Now we can see we resize the shape and table at once. You can change the color to this multiple object. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.